Yeah, it's your boy B-Ray. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. I'm just making a random video, cause why not? Oh yes. The sun is shining. That kid B-Ray got out of the house. He's in nature. Look at, there's a fly. With a plant. There's more flies. There's a plant. There's more plants. There's more plants. There's trees. There's a basketball net. There's an umbrella. There's a... What do you call those things that you sit on? Not a bleacher, a whatchamacallit thingy. I don't know what they're called. I sit on them every day at school for lunch. Well, there's chairs, and there's grass. There's that kid B-Ray. Please sub. Because I need subs. Get me to 42, please, so I can say I'm the best. I mean, I already am, but... Oh, I need to end this video. Go do something more educational with your life. Bye.